Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys flight mode guys. How can we turn off from phone setting? Friends, you don't want to use guys your Samsung phone guys phone flight mode setting. So how can you off from your phone setting? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon. So friends, open your phone setting guys, and we will search here guys phone flight mode setting guys. So we will search here phone flight mode guys. You can see flight mode is on. So I will tap here. So friends, you don't want to use, you want to off your flight mode setting guys, you can off from here. So friends, your flight mode will off guys, we cannot use guys. After a flight mode guys, you can use guys your internet setting and guys your call setting without any problem guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to off flight mode setting from phone setting in Samsung phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.